Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's George Headley Primary from St. Andrew going up against Lucky Valley Primary from St. Catherine. I'm your host, Joni Wedderburn, and the action begins right now. Earlier we had the toss and George Headley Primary won and decided to send Lucky Valley Primary first. So we begin with Lucky Valley. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds to answer and each correct answer is worth 1 point. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's have 4 minutes on the clock. We begin with Bible knowledge. Lucky Valley. What is the second to last or penultimate book of the Bible?
Matthew.
Incorrect, it's Jude. George Headley, what is the sixth book of the Bible?
Joshua.
That is correct. Science, Lucky Valley, what is the main component of the body's skeletal system?
The joints.
Incorrect, it's the bones. George Headley, what works with the bones of your skeleton to make your body move?
Joints.
Incorrect, it's muscles. Local affairs, Lucky Valley, who is the acting director of public prosecutions in Jamaica?
John.
Incorrect, it's Claudette Thompson. George Headley, who is the most recent director of public prosecutions in Jamaica?
Paula Llewellyn.
That is correct. English language, Lucky Valley. How do you spell the word grate as used in this sentence? Mom had to grate the coconuts to make the pudding.
Grate.
That is correct. George Headley, how do you spell the word mane as used in this sentence? The mane of the horse was white and brown.
Mane.
Please repeat.
Mane.
That is correct. Television, Lucky Valley. What is the surname of the famous American TV host known by her first name, Oprah?
Willis.
Incorrect, it's Winfrey. George Headley, what is the name of the American actor known as The Rock?
Dwayne Johnson.
That is correct. General knowledge, Lucky Valley. In which Jamaican parish is the tourism town of Treasure Beach?
St. Elizabeth.
That is correct. George Headley, in which Jamaican parish is the resort town of Negril?
Westmoreland.
That is correct. Social studies, Lucky Valley. What is the name of the largest continent?
Asia.
That is correct. George Headley, on which continent is Libya located?
Africa.
That's right. Music, Lucky Valley. To which family of instruments does the bass guitar belong?
String.
That is right. George Headley. To which specific family of instruments does the recorder belong?
Woodwind.
That's right. Mathematics, Lucky Valley. What is the value of x if 2x minus 11 equals to 55? Time's up. George Headley, would you like to try?
Yes, it's 33.
33. That is correct. Still with you, George Headley. What is the value of x if 3x minus 5 equals to 49?
18.
That's right. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are George Headley Primary on 9 and Lucky Valley Primary on 4. Stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns after these messages.